Everyone, this is my first YouTube video, and I haven't established a name yet. So if I've established a name by the time you're watching this, then I have established a name. This is my puppy Hope, who is in love with her ball right now. Her ball, and she's in love with it. Come get it. Come on, come get it. Come get. Ow! Jeez, she took that out of my hand. And I'm just going to be doing YouTube videos. I'm just going to be doing random YouTube videos about random stuff. If you want me to do something else, you can just comment. Video games, playing with my dog, snow, playing. And it is close to Christmas right now. So if you want, actually no, never mind. Okay. And please try. This is my first one. I want to get to 5 likes. 5 likes. And 5 likes would just be awesome. And maybe a few comments, because first YouTube video, it's awesome. I have a cute puppy. There's a cute puppy. Like for the puppy. Like for the puppy. And then, yeah. Oh, jeez. Remember, 5 likes, cute puppy, equals